Well, what do we have here? We got some Gear Guys Customs RPF 1s. We got some MST adjustables in the rear. We got tons of poke on the chaser body. What in the world is going on here? Welcome to the Ideal Auto Factory. This is where we talk about vinyl wrapping and RC drifting, mostly. This here is a chaser body from Yokomo. It's not wide enough. I got some major track width going on there. I think I'm gonna change the wheels out, but before I do that, I wanna drive it just like how it is and show you all the weight shift. I wanna show you all the weight shift on these Buzz brakes. These are Buzz brake tires, you know, the newest setup, because I don't think Valinos exist anymore. Don't know, to be a fact, I don't know that. But look at that, there it is. It's all nice, you know what I'm saying? It's doing its thing now. Look at that poke over there. Battery way up there in the roof. Might as well call the battery the headliner. But yeah, just want to drive it really quick, show you all the weight shift. I'm gonna change out the wheels and then I'll show you the weight shift again when I put some grippier tires on it. So, hey, keep God first. Let's get into this video. And to demonstrate, this is the track we're going to use here. So I'm gonna do things revolved around this. I'm not doing my whole big track. Just want you guys to see it about here. I'm gonna put gonna put the camera low enough so you can see the weight shift. Yeah, because it's up high, you know, that looks like a little toy over there. Then that looks like, what is that? But down low, look at it now. That looks really nice. And then still looks like a toy over there, but want to give you guys the most scale looking I can get it with what I have to offer in here. So let's do it. Okay, that was really fun. I am very well pleased with what just happened. I am picking up the car now. I'm about to put it back on the table. Recording and driving at the same time. My gosh. Props to all you that do that on the regular. Yeah, I couldn't do that. So raw, you just heard me lift the body off, I think. Let me show you. Look at that. Look at all those scratches. Yeah. All right, look at this thing, man. Oh, there you go. Look at it. Look at this. Look at this. This is what I was driving like that, and look at this wheel. Watch this wheel. You ready? Here we go. Oh, let's go a little faster. See that? The wheel's fine, right? Okay. So you know what right looks like. I'll show you what wrong looks like. Because there's no way it self-corrected itself. Look at that bad boy. All over the place. So that's what I was working with. Having fun, you know what I'm saying? And look at this thing. So it is ready for war, ready for action. Definitely had to work on the spring brakes here. But yeah, we got ESC in the back, up top, up high. Got battery, double-sided taped. And then motor, ESC's not hot at all. We got the servo up high, and it's an RDX style front end. But guess what? We're setting that servo right there in the center like it's a Yokomo chassis, you know what I'm saying? Then in the front, what have we here? So from the last video, we talked about roll center. We talked about a lot of stuff when it comes to this chassis overall. But I had to switch some things up because the weight balance was off and the car kept wanting to lean that way and stay over there. You notice now, it leans this way, but it comes back up. Almost center, right? Lean that way, comes back to the center. Lean this way, comes back to the center. It didn't do that. Before it would lean this way and just sit there. But on the right side, it would bounce back up every time. No problem. So I had to fix that. I centered everything that I could. And then over here, because of the weight of the motor, or maybe this is not perfectly centered, either way, that weight balance was off. So I put my my gyro and my receiver on this side and centered the servo, and we have a perfect weight balance now. Up front, what's changed is I increased the caster. Some people get the caster adjustment thingy. Not me, because I'm not spending more money on this car, on this chassis. So I just put a big spacer in there. I put a big spacer right here, and normally you would see 2 sets of screw holes here. Nope, I just moved this back to the second set of screws, as you can see there. If you look at an RDX, you'll see what I'm talking about. So I just slid it back, got the caster I wanted, got that caster angle that I wanted, and now car drives so fun. Am I gonna change that Ackerman? I don't know. It feels like a lot of toe out right there, but then you go over here, it's controllable, right? But watch what happens if I am low. So you got low, there we go. But when I go high, I need to put something under there so you guys can see that. So I go really high. Look at that. We're not fully zero-toed, but look at the steering now. Look at that. Way different. And you know this thing pops up a lot. So if I bring that toe in at this level, if I change the toe setting here, yeah, it'll look better right here. But when it's really high up there, I don't think the Ackerman will be correct. So I have to leave the toe this far out. And in the rear, oh yeah, the rear. What did I change in the rear since the last time you see it? Well, dampers are upside down. If you notice here, there's nothing. Where's my camber link? What? Where is it? You don't see it. It's not on the settings right here. That's because I changed it. Oh, look where the camber links are now. Way up there. Really high up. We're talking about level with the gearbox. Here's my camber link right here and right there. pretty much level with the gearbox. Roll center increase, or lower the roll center, I should say. So now, what does that, how did that happen? How did I get my camber links that high up? Well, you know, the RDX comes with a front bumper. That's very different. And it uses those front mounts up here. And it came with those pieces, so I used those two pieces, and the bottom screw are these two big screws right here with the washers attached. So that's the bottom. As you can see right there is that screw I just showed you on the outside. And then the second hole is where my camber link is. Perfect. And you already know I try to keep things the same as before, just, you know, changing that roll center, making it easier. So same thing, very little camber change here, but it has to change. I don't know anything that won't change with this much travel. Camber changes there. I'm in the squat, where exactly where I want to be, about right there. Camber's good, and then you hit the lean to the right. Wham! Get that side bite. Ooh! Get that side bite, and then move to the left. Ooh! Get that side bite. Look at this thing. All the weight shift. Let me change the wheels. Instead of buzz brakes, I'm going with MST tires. So now it's gonna have even more grip. Oh. Thanks for watching the video. I really enjoyed that. I really enjoyed just driving again in the garage, an empty one. And then also just having fun, you know? I wasn't trying to make perfect lines, but that bad boy can go anywhere I tell it to go. So, yeah. Keep God first. Catch you on the next video. Peace.